What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Sonata Smart Key Remote Fob. This key fob is going to be for the Hyundai Sonatas that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video. It's where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the battery is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that this key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is slide it in about that far up to where my fingers are. Slide it in about that far, and then I'm just going to pry up on this back cover like that. And you can see it pops that back cover up. And go ahead and pull that off. And now we can see our battery right here. And this battery will slide out of this holder like that. Get our old battery out, and then we'll grab our new one. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide that into the holder. And then we can put our back cover back on. Make sure that's all the way snapped on. And then we'll slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.